Go.
Okay na. 1, 2, 3, go. So, yan, ang ating topic ngayon is geometric sequence at ito yung finding the nth term. So, sa ating problem, find the 7th term of this sequence. 3, 12, 48, 192, and so on. So, meron tayong formula na a sub n is equals to a sub 1 times r or common ratio raised to n minus 1. Una nating gagawin is kuhain natin yung given. So, a sub 1 muna tayo. A sub 1 natin is 3. Sabay yung n or number of term na hinahanap which is 7. And yung ating common ratio na makukuha natin pag i-divide yung a sub 2 sa ating a sub 1. So, sa ating case is 12 divided by 3 at ang sagot dyan is 4. So, ang ating common ratio is 4. Now na meron na tayong mga given, nakuha na natin, ilalapat na lang natin to sa formula. So, a sub 7 is equals to 3 times r or common ratio which is 4 raised to n 7 minus 1. So, as usual, unahin natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, 7 minus 1 is equals to 6. Ayan. 3. Tapos, 4 raised to 6. So, yan ay magiging 4,096. Ayan. Tapos, yung 4,096, ito times lang natin sa 3. So, ang makukuha natin is yung ating 7th term or a sub 7 is equals to 122 and 88. So, ito yung ating final answer.